I don't know about you, but I've tried so many thimbles. I have to share this little DIY hack that has quickly become my favorite way to use a thimble. You need your coins, athletic tape, and scissors. The first thing you got to do is figure out which size coin that you want. You can test them out. I think I'm going to go with the dime. Then you'll need a piece of athletic tape. This is just KT tape I have on hand, and I'm going to cut off a little square first. And it needs to be big enough that the coin fits on it. So, like that. If it's not completely covered, it's a-okay. Then you'll need a longer piece of tape that can wrap around your finger, or mostly around your finger, like that. And tear the tape. What you're going to do is take the shiny side of the coin and place it on the tape, like that. Put your finger on it, the one you're going to use as your thimble, like so. It's not pretty, but this has helped me a lot, and I've patched overalls and denim. So anyway, I hope it helps you too.